Hello, my friends. Today we are going to draw Rubble from Paw Patrol. At first, I draw his nose.
Rubble's his name, he's always there to save.
Then I draw the shape of his face.
And a can-do smile. He'll dig through any trouble mile by mile. He's a construction expert.
I draw his eyes.
Tools so neat. A bulldozer, a drill, and a dump truck seat. When there's a problem, he's the one they call to make Adventure Bay safe for one and all. Oh, Rubble, Rubble, you're our hero today.
Then I draw his ears
You'll clear the way.
and complete his
Through
face.
rocks and rubble, you'll always prevail. In Paw Patrol, you'll never fail.
I am going to draw his hat.
Rubble's always ready, no task too tough. From fixing a path to building cool stuff. With teamwork and courage, he'll never back down. In Adventure Bay, he's the talk of the town.
And draw the logo for Paw Patrol.
By his side, they explore together, taking it in stride. Through tunnels and caves.
Then I'm going to start with a badge, so about right here.
They're the very best. Oh, Rubble, Rubble, you're our hero today. With your bulldozer,
Let's draw the body.
you'll clear the way.
And his legs.
And Rubble, you'll always prevail. In that drawing you'll never fail. When they're good ways in a spot, Rubble's there to help a lot. With a friendly bark and a cheerful smile, he'll save the day in just a little while. From repairing a bridge to fixing a slide, Rubble's the pup with construction pride. He's strong and brave, he's always on track. In Adventure Bay, there's no turning back. With his fellow pups, they form a great team. Chase, Marshall, Sky, it's like a dream.
I draw his bag.
Rider as their leader, they'll never fail. In Adventure Bay, they'll always prevail. Oh, Rubble, Rubble, you're our hero today. With your bulldozer, you'll clear the way. Through rocks and rubble, you'll always prevail. In big drawing, you'll never fail. So let's give a cheer for Rubble so bold. In Adventure Bay, he's worth his weight in gold. With a
I'm going to draw the ball.
he'll save the day. In big drawing, he'll lead the way. Rubble, Rubble. In the world of art, there's a talented crew. Deep drawing's the name, and they'll draw for you. With
Good job, my
brushes and
friends.
colors, they're ready to start creating masterpieces from the depths of their heart. With sketches and canvases, they make their stand in the creative world, dreading high demand. When inspiration strikes,
Let's coloring his eyes with orange color.
drawing's a team who can conquer it all. And there's a drawing to be done, you know.
His hat is yellow color.
Keep drawing and their friends, they'll stand tall. With creativity and teamwork, they'll pave the way. In the world of art, they're here to stay. Depth drawing, let your colors fly. With imagination soaring, reaching the sky. From canvas to paper, their talents expand. In the world of art, they'll make their stand. From landscapes to portraits, they'll capture the scene. With each stroke and detail, their work is pristine. In the realm of creativity, they truly excel. Their drawing's a team who does it so well.
Do you like
With
yellow
pencils
color?
and markers, they'll bring ideas to life, turning blank pages into wonder so ripe. When a mural's needed or a mural's to begin, that drawing skills will make it a win. When there's a drawing to be done, you know who to call. Big drawing and their friends, they'll stand tall. With
White color.
and teamwork, they'll pave the way. In the world of art, they're here to stay.
Gray color.
drawing, let your colors fly. With imagination soaring, reaching the sky. From canvas to paper, their talents expand. In the world of art, they'll make their stand.
His nose is brown color.
With a passion for art,
Sandy
they'll
brown
never
color.
grow tired, creating beauty from nothing. They're truly inspired. From abstract to realism, they'll take the lead. In the world of creativity, they'll succeed. When the world needs color, they're there to provide. With their brushes and palettes, there's no need to hide. From still life to fantasy, their vision is clear. That drawing's the team to make it appear. When there's a drawing to be done, you know who to call. That drawing and their friends, they'll stand tall. With creativity and teamwork, they'll pave the way. In the world of art, they're here to stay. That drawing, let your colors fly. With imagination soaring, reaching the sky. From canvas to paper, their talents expand. In the world
Cream
of art,
color.
they make their stand. So here's to that drawing, the creative crew. In the world of art, they'll always come through. With their friends by their side, they'll never derail. In the world of creativity, they'll set sail. In Adventure Bay, there's a pup who's brave. Rubble's his name.
Black color.
He's always there to save. With his yellow hard hat and a can-do smile.
Brown sienna color.
Through any trouble, mile by mile, he's a construction expert with tools so neat. A bulldozer, a drill, and a dump truck seat. When there's a problem, he's the one they call to make Adventure Bay.
Let's coloring the ball with red color.
Oh, Rubble, Rubble, you're our hero today. With your
Yellow color.
bulldozer, you'll clear the way. Through rocks and rubble,
Purple
you'll
color.
always prevail. In Paw Patrol, you'll never
Leaf green color.
fail.
Sky blue color.
Rubble's always
Pink
ready,
color.
no task too tough. From
Orange
fixing a
color.
path to building
Pink
cool
color.
stuff. With teamwork and courage, he'll never back down. In Adventure
Blue color.
Bay, he's the talk of the town. With Tumbly, his hamster, by his side.
Purple color.
They explore together, taking it in stride. Through tunnels and
Spring
caves,
green color.
they'll go on a quest. In Adventure
Orange color.
Bay, they're the very best. Oh, Rubble, Rubble, you're our hero today.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Clear the way. Through rocks and rubble, you'll always prevail. In that drawing, you'll never